perfection. Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I want to wish you first of all a happy New Year's 2022, because I believe that this video is going to be the first video of 2022. It was not supposed to be the case. Actually, I was supposed to post a video about seasonal depression, which when you think about is maybe not the best first video of the year, but whatevs. So forgive me if I wish you a happy new year in the next video, but I'm kind of responding to a crisis situation right now where a bunch of you guys, and I love you for it, have DM'd me or messaged me about hair struggle, product struggle that you've been having over the holidays. And so I felt the urge, the need, the necessity to do a video to help you out, guys, and show you, share with you what are my favorite, my go-to shampoos, my go-to conditioners, my go-to leave-ins, and my go-to gels. I'm not going to put all of that in one video. I'm going to break it down and do a little mini series, okay? Today we're going to talk about my go-to shampoos, my favorite shampoos. Next video is going to be about conditioners, and the last one, the third one, will be about leave-in and gels. I'll regroup them because it's only two gels that I really like to use. Okay, I think I'm going to regroup them. Might change my mind. Don't quote me on this. I go with the flow, you guys. I don't have really any plans like that. I just, I'm just being me. All right, before I get into the meat of this video, you know where I'm going. If you enjoy the content of this video, sorry, the tea is in the throat. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below with your favorite shampoo of the moment, your go-to shampoo. It will help another fine way to curly hair girl in need, trust me. Make sure to share the content on your social or with a friend who is struggling right now. And subscribe, my love. Subscribe. This is the vibe of this channel. This is how we roll here. We're just chilling together and sharing together. Also, if you are looking for a way to support me, I will link all of these products in the description box. Most of them are affiliated links, which means that I get a few crumbs if you buy through this link, which really helps me out because I'm going to need a new lens really soon, you guys. And those lenses are not cheap. Also, my shop is down below. In that shop, I put my merch, which are Microfiber Towel, Detangling Brush, and portable diffusers. And also whatever creations that I make. Right now, I'm into macrames, and those macrames are for sale. They're available down below. I do lotions. I'm out of stock right now, but I will restock very soon. And you guys get a 20% off my entire shop with the promo code Luisa Lewis. So please go and check it out and treat yourself. And voila. All right, with no further ado, let's get into this video. All right, okay, let's do this. The first shampoo that I'm gonna reach for is my Kinky Curly Come Clean. This is what the bottle looks like. Okay, again, I will link it down below for you guys. Kinky Curly is a brand that I always have in my bathroom since the moment I discovered them. There's not a lot of brands like that, but there are a few. Once in a while you come across a brand that really works very well for you from the get-go. Kinky Curly is one of them for me. So now this particular shampoo will cleanse your scalp. It's a day one shampoo. It's a type of shampoo that will get rid of the excess product, the greasy product, the natural sebum. Everything's gonna be clean. Come Clean is a good name for this shampoo. You will have to follow up with a hydrating conditioner to replenish your hair with moisture, especially if you have high porosity hair like me. You know, your high porosity girl hair needs moisture. I would concentrate this on your scalp. Really give your scalp a good cleansing, and let the rest of the shampoo just go through your hair. There's no need to add more on your length. You will dry your hair out. So yeah, that's that. Okay, the second shampoo is going to be my Royal Honey and Kalahari from Not Your Mother. This bottle is the conditioner. I'm sorry, I'm out of the shampoo and I threw away the bottle, but I can still talk about it. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's the same packaging more or less for the shampoo. This is available pretty much everywhere. Again, I'll link it down below. It's a pretty, just like my Kinky Curly Come Clean, it's a pretty clean line of product. No sulfate, no phthalate, no gluten, no paraben, no silicone. You know, both of them are very clean and pretty affordable. I like this one particularly because it leaves my hair very soft and still a little hydrated, as opposed to this one who really cleans my hair. It doesn't leave my hair like super dry, right? But this leaves my hair a little bit more moisturized. So if your hair is damaged from bleach or heat or whatever, you want to go with something a little bit more gentle, I would go for this guy. I like it. Now, I want you to be aware that it leaves your hair very soft, okay? So I would not pair it with the leave-in conditioner because I realized that when I use this whole line on my hair, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner, my hair tends to get a little bit too soft. I'm losing the volume and I'm having more of elongated curls instead of bouncy curls, which I tend to prefer. So if you want to keep the bounce to your waves or to your curls, I would not use the whole line at once. I would use either the shampoo one day, the shampoo and the conditioner one day, and a different leave-in and whatever, or a different shampoo and conditioner and their leave-in. I'll get into the leave-in on the third video, but this shampoo is amazing. The next one is going to be from Zotos Professional, all about curls. This is what the bottle looks like. Again, very affordable, available pretty much everywhere. I will also link it down below. This one is the low ladder. They have, I think they have two, maybe three. They have a low ladder and a no ladder. I think they have two or three. I don't remember. I like the low ladder because it has a little bit of a ladder to it, but not too much. It's a very light cleansing. So this is a type of shampoo I would use if my hair is not super dirty, but I've sweat and there's a little bit of build-up product and I want to cleanse it, you know. I will go for something a little bit lighter, and this is what I will grab. It is very affordable, no sulfate, no silicone, no paraben. My hair loves it. All right, the next shampoo I'm going to talk about is more of a high-end product. It's a little bit more expensive. It's kind of up there when it comes to price range. It is the Ouidad Curl Shaper Good as New Moisturizing and Restoring Shampoo. This is what the packaging looks like. I will link it down below for you. This one is a great shampoo to cleanse and hydrate at the same time. It's the best of both worlds. Really good quality. I love the smell personally. I don't use it often because it is quite expensive and it's more like a treat when I use it. But when I use it, I can definitely tell the difference on how my hair responds to it. It foams nicely. It doesn't leave my hair completely dehydrated. It cleans, but it leaves a little something for my hair to hold on to until I put in the conditioner. It is very cleansing, but at the same time very hydrating. It is a little bit pricey, but you can definitely tell the difference between this quality of product and my drugstore type of product, okay? The last shampoo I'm going to talk about, and then we're moving on to the co-washes cleansing conditioner type of products. This one I was not going to show you because the line is discontinued. At least that's what they told me. But it's still on the website like 6 months later, so I'm not sure what's going on. I love it with all my heart. It is the Ultra Repair Shampoo 2 times the strength moisturizing. 2 times the strength and softness in one use. It is really, this whole line from Biotera is everything, you guys. It is free of paraben, SLS, sulfate, silicones. It's hydrating, it's cleansing. I love the shampoo, I love the conditioner, I love the leave-in conditioner, and they are discontinuing. Why? I don't know, but it's still out there. So if you want to go check out on the link, I'll put the link down below. If you want to check it out, if it's still available, go and grab yourself the whole line. Seriously. Great shampoo. It cleans, it hydrates. I love it. Affordable, clean line of product. Yay, Biotera. Please don't discontinue. I beg you, keep it. Don't discontinue it. Please. Okay. All right, now I'm going to switch to the co-washes and cleansing conditioners, okay? The co-wash that I love the most is from As I Am. This is the bottle right here. I have no more and I have to reorder. I've been using this one for the past, how many years? 3 years, 4 years maybe. This was the first recommendation I've ever had from one of my subscribers, and it was one of the best recommendations I've ever had from one of my subscribers. I am loving this co-wash. At some point I used to only use this co-wash and not really use any shampoo. Definitely a must-have when you want a light cleansing but yet a cleansing, you know. Super hydrating but not weighting your hair down. Okay, you don't really need to put a conditioner after this co-wash. It really depends on your hair, and it depends on, you know, how the chemical reacts with your hair. Personally, I go from this co-wash to applying my leave-in conditioner right away, and it works wonders on my hair. Highly recommended. Must have a jar in your bathroom. You'll use it. You'll reach out for it regularly, trust me. The next washing conditioner, cleansing conditioner, how do you guys call this? Conditioning wash. Well, Curlsmith calls it a conditioner wash. It's the curl crunching conditioner wash from Curlsmith. This one is, again, a go-to. Now the only thing is it's not as hydrating as I wish it was for a conditioner, but it's the Curlsmith line of product. If you've tried them, you know what to expect from them. Very clean line of product, a little bit higher end on the price, but you get really good quality formulation. Like, the ingredients are amazing in there. Personally, with my high porosity fine with the curly hair, sometimes I'm left a little bit on the drier end. Okay, so that's something to take in consideration if you have a high porosity hair like me. The last one but not the least is the Ouidad Curl Shaper Double Duty Weightless Cleansing Conditioner. This bad guy right here, again, just like my As I Am, I would use this as a shampoo any day. It's not a shampoo, it's a cleansing conditioner. It's, I think, my favorite product of the line, honestly. Expensive, high-end, luxury product, not luxury, but you know, like high-end product. But you get your money's worth. It's Ouidad. Ouidad. Should I say anything else? Do I need to say anything else? It's Ouidad. It's good product, it's good quality. Voilà. Bon, you may have some silicone in there. It's for you to see if that's something you're comfortable with. Personally, as it's a balance, okay? I'm not a big fan of putting silicone in my hair or in the environment, but it's one product once in a while, you know, it's okay. It's not that bad. I think this is all I have to show you for my shampoo and co-washes and cleansing conditioners. These are my go-tos right now. It might change, but for the past few years, at least for the past 2 to 3 years, I've been using these shampoo on a regular, even more than that. Well, some of them I just discovered. like this one, I think I've been using this for maybe a year or so. But you know, I just, those are my go-to. I've been reordering, rebuying them several times. So this is what works for me. I urge you to find a couple brands that works for you, and whenever you're struggling because you're trying this or that, always go back to what works. All right. I am curious to know what are your go-tos for your fine wavy to curly hair. Let me know down below. And that's that. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my love, stay happy and healthy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.